on this point in Costa Rica, and it's supposed to be super crazy, choppy, and windy, and it is. We only have that much sail out, and we're going like 7 knots. A little gusty. It's beautiful.
I wonder if we should head towards shore and then follow the coastline down.
There's dolphins.
Did Cherry see the dolphins?
No. So last time she was there, she was facing this way.
She just wants to be pet, huh?
Yeah, she just like that.
We arrived in Playa Cocos just a couple of days before Thanksgiving. The check-in process was a little bit difficult, but we figured it out. If you want to learn more about that, we have a whole podcast episode on that. Playa Cocos was really cute. Nice little restaurants, pretty good prices for Costa Rica. And we spent a lot of time shopping for Costa Rican souvenirs and things that we could buy the kids for Christmas.
This is amazing.
That's a lot of fish. That's all freaking fish back there?
Yeah.
That's insane. Are you gonna go back?
No, I think they're all small fish.
That's a lot of fish. Ah, okay.
More out here, jumping.
Not as many as back there,
No.
though. Holy whoa. How does it feel to finally be back in water that we can actually swim in? After 5 months in an estuary. I think they're excited. Oh, no. What's this beach called? Playa Nacascolo, Costa Rica. Justin's setting up a hammock. Woohoo!
Not so bad. It's like just the right amount of water too.
This is a good spot. I'm so happy to be here.
It like keeps you kind of cool.
Yeah. Maybe we need 2.
How do I get?
You're really cold? Really?
Seriously, you're putting on a wetsuit in Costa Rica. Just putting on a wetsuit in Costa Rica. Who does that, girl? Who does that? Like a shorty, not even like just like a vest. It's warm.
Filming. Why am I not filming? What? What road? Hold on, I am watching your father right now. Well, I don't think that works.
It's relaxing. I'm relaxed. I feel like I'm blinking a lot.
Get some stuff off of this. Hold on. We basically have a couple of spinnakers out here now. Nice! See, it wasn't that bad.
Okay now.
Yeah. You did it. Evie's all sorts of discombobulated.
How did she get up there?
She's a monkey.
Wait, the black rope.
Yeah,
How did she get up there?
She grabbed the hammock and she got from the hammock to the chair.
how did she get up there?
I am too. Look at that little boat monkey. What did you do? I don't even know. I don't think I don't know what I got.
I go foot first.
Think you win Dad of the Year. Woo woo! I mean, and it's pretty close because it's December.
Oh, that was a back.
You got a back flop.
Oh, that hurt. But I'm Dad of the Year, so it's okay.
They want a banana. We have nothing for you. We left it in a dinghy because there's heavy dog.
Why can we
There's
not
signs that say we can't feed you.
Can we pet it?
No.
No.
He's gonna take our GoPro. You should have let him take the GoPro and see what he.
Let him see what where he takes it.
Yeah. Oh, he's trying to take it.
Those partridges aren't there, okay?
He doesn't want to be filmed.
You stop making noise. I'm trying to make them come here.
Look at them go. This is so magical. Look at him go. Oh, that's a big one.
I want your GoPro.
Hey, buddy.
We're all trying to take the GoPro.
It's a banana.
He thinks it's food. He thinks I'm handing him food.
Yeah.
Hello. You want your banana?
He's like, why are you putting this in my face?
Look at all the ones up here.
We're sorry. You're looking sad.
I know, he's like, why? What are you doing? Where's my banana?
Go up to their meeting. There's a meeting of monkeys.
There's a meeting. Go. I don't know what to do. I want to approach him with this much kindness. Look at how fast that is. I'll just stick straight up.
Hey, Mom, it's Gail.
I know, it's I'm filming it. Oh, it's trash.
That's insane. What are they all doing there? They're having a convention.
Can we just play with you? Yeah, do you think you can
Maybe
make
it's a shell swap.
A shell swap.
That was weird, right?
That's super weird. What were they doing there?
Don't forget to subscribe and look at our website.